GitHub was down 4 times this month only, and people are furious. This is really embarrassing for Microsoft, I have to say. And while GitHub was down, Cursor took a leap of faith and released Origin, a new GitHub alternative built for the Agentic era. So I tried it out. Two things before we dive into it. This is still early beta. I would even call it alpha because a bunch of things are still not working. And second thing is that they rolled out this early beta on all paid plans. So if you're not paying for Cursor currently, you're not going to be able to test out Origin right now. Here is how it looks. So here on cursor.com/codebase, you have all your repos that you synced from GitHub or created here on Origin. Syncing was really easy. You just click this sync button in your organization, you pick your own repo, and you just go and click continue and sync repo to OrcDev, and that's it. After that, you have a mirror here on Origin from your source on GitHub. And this was a pretty smooth experience, I have to say. It was really easy to sync all of my repos at once with one button only. So that one was really cool. And if we check out my repo right here, skills, we can see that it looks exactly the same like on GitHub. So we can browse around our files right here. We can check out the README file, and we can clone our project here via HTTPS or Origin CLI. In order to use the Origin CLI, we have to run this command inside of our terminal to install it first, and then we can just do Origin repo clone and OrcDev skills, which is going to put this repo that we are seeing right here inside of our directory. I changed already the origin for my OrcDev repo. If we check here git remote v, we can see that it's using origin.cursor.com/orcdev/orcdev.git, and now we can use git commands like on any other platform like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. So we can use git status, we can use git add, we can use git push, etc., etc. Nothing has changed from that perspective, except the fact that now we are hosting our code on Origin by Cursor instead of GitHub. But there is one serious thing that is missing from Origin, and it can be pretty problematic if you want to migrate to Origin, and those are GitHub actions. They have a new thing that is called automation. And here we can trigger automations for our own repos, and we have so many here search triggers. We can do it hourly, daily, weekly. We can pull here from GitHub pull request, comment added, etc. by Origin, by Slack, by Microsoft Teams. So we can do the automations here, and I think this is the future. I think that this is going to be the future of our Git workflow, that's for sure. And based on those triggers, we can here put instructions for our agents. What are they going to do inside of our repo? And that is really cool. Only thing here that I see is that this trigger is still very human based, and I would on this page just put this agent instructions right here. So I would put this to plain English. So if something happens, do this. I would do it like that. I'm not sure if it's possible. I mean, everything is possible now with AI, and I think that's the future. So we can here say, so if we have an issue opened, investigate, we can say, plan out a fix and create a PR. And this is definitely possible. So we can do this right now here on opened issue right here from GitHub or from Origin, or we can check here on scheduled like every hour to check for all issues and to do this exact thing like here. So that's definitely possible, and this is the future, and this is pushing it more towards that agentic era like I was saying in the beginning of this video. And I think this is really amazing. I can't wait to see these automations, how are they going to evolve from here. And I think this is really valuable here in Origin and really big difference from GitHub. Second problematic thing are the deployments. Currently, only one platform allows deployments from Origin, and that's of course Vercel. So naturally, I'm using Vercel and I wanted to try it out, and now I'm serving my orcdev.com straight from the Origin that you saw in this code base right here. So it's my OrcDev repo right here that I'm serving on my Vercel platform, and it was really easy to set it up. I just went here to settings/git, and here I disconnected my GitHub and connected my Origin, and after that everything was pretty much automatic. So we can see here the deployment straight from my Origin. After I pushed, see, I just picked it up and everything was working. But naturally I had to do all these things myself in the settings, and I wanted to do everything automatically. So I created a skill for that, and you can find it in my skills. Here it's called GitHub to Origin, so your AI agents can do everything automatically and just pick up your repo and just sync in everything and move from GitHub to Origin completely without you just following around inside of the browser and clicking all the things. So I'm going to leave this one in the description below if you want to try it out. I'm definitely going to keep using Origin for my OrcDev.com, so make sure to follow, because I'm going to post all those differences between GitHub and Origin. And I wanted to show you some bugs and mistakes they have, and there you can see that it's even maybe not early beta. For example, this one right here. I have all my repos, and we have here search for find repo, and I type in OrcDev, and nothing is happening. So it's not like I cannot do enter or anything. It's just not filtering. And this here is telling me that they didn't even check out how is their own product working. And I don't like this one, to be honest. And I expect from a multi-billion company to have this filter working, but they were forced to push everything because GitHub was down, and then they decided to just hit release and to go now while GitHub was down. And that's a good marketing thing. I can tell that's really cool, but still you need to fix this. I could fix this with one prompt, just saying this filter is freaking not working, check out what's happening, and Grok 4.6 would fix it probably in 15 seconds and push everything to the repo and just deploy. So this is something that is really not good, and I don't like this one. Second thing is, if we go here, for example, on my skills, and if we go on README, there is no way for me to edit this one manually. And yes, we are in agentic era, but still we have to keep all of our manual things. So how can I now edit this one straight here from Origin? I want to do that. I want to see here my MD and how it looks, and I want to remove this zigzag from here. I cannot even highlight it. Check this one. It's like I'm inside of an image. I don't know if I can copy paste. I guess I can. No, I cannot. I can only, no, I can't copy paste this entire thing. So there are some small things that needs to be fixed. They need to create a complete list of all these UI, UX things that they are missing, and they need to hand it off to their AI agent and just fix all those tiny things. Second thing is, for example, this sidebar. If we go here, not that sidebar, this sidebar, you can see it just disappears and then it just comes back. There is no animation. There are no subtle animations and things that you would expect from a product like this. And okay, maybe this is me asking too much. Maybe they want it to be minimalistic like this. But I would say that it needs to have a subtle animation right here. Also, this search, I'm not sure if this one is working. What can we search here? We can search agents, but can we search, for example, here my orc skill or something like that? No, this is only for searching agents. So they need to create somehow a complete platform with all the things that are working. I think they have here also, where is it? Now it disappeared. I had here a search with my AI agent, but I don't know where it is right now. If I refresh, maybe it's going to, no, maybe it is here when we go to my repo. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so we can build, fix, and explore with our AI agent directly here in the repo. And that is cool. That is really good. I love this one. And Agentic thing is there. Cursor is there, but we need all these small things fixed so we can have a proper UX and the perfect platform that we can use. Origin looks really promising, but it's still early beta and it's still early to tell if it can replace GitHub or not. SpaceX has really amazing developers, an amazing team, and I have no doubts that they're going to make good decisions for this project. What do you think about it? Do you think that it can replace actually GitHub? Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Do you think that Origin can replace GitHub or not? I'm really curious, what do you think we need now in this new AI era?